He called the I-Team after complaining to 4 different government agencies about a mistaken identity. It's all over a ticket scofflaw registering a car in his name. Now the I-Team is asking if there's a better way to protect other people from going through the same ordeal.
I got an email from my employer for Chicago Public Schools that said I owed $1,000 worth of tickets on a Volvo, a 2004-2005 Volvo, and I never owned a Volvo.
Kevin Jackson had to prove that mystery car like this one wasn't his. Otherwise, CPS would garnish his wages for almost $1,000 in unpaid city tickets. Chicago police insisted that car in question appeared to belong to him.
I'm livid. I'm through the roof.
So Jackson asked the Secretary of State for a copy of the car's registration form.
And so on the registration form, it just had my name and address. The signature wasn't mine, but they had a space there for the Illinois state ID number.
No ID number was on the form. Also omitted was a middle name and apartment number, all leading to a case of mistaken identity.
You know, what if it was a drive-by shooting or smash and grab? Then the police would have came into my house, kicking in my door in full tactical gear, and I had no recourse. And I'm like, this is post 9/11, how could something like this happen?
So Jackson spoke to a Secretary of State supervisor asking why no identification number or other details were on the form.
He said, we don't need to ask for the information for people to fill out a registration form.
Next, Jackson contacted the Secretary of State Inspector General, who told Jackson he's had other cases just like this.
There's no protocols or safeguards in place for something like this to happen.
The Inspector General investigation didn't get far, so Jackson contacted the I-Team. We reached out to the Secretary of State Police, who then helped Jackson start the process of clearing his name with this official letter.
The victim and the offender had the same name. And they lived in the same location. They lived in the same apartment complex. We reviewed the title history for the vehicle, and we determined that it was actually the signatures matched the signatures on the driver record for the other person.
Then the title and registration were revoked based on the evidence. But if a photo ID has to be presented, why isn't that information required on the vehicle registration form?
We just verify that that's the person in front of us.
The Secretary of State's office told the I-Team they would consider requiring that more identifying information be put onto vehicle registration forms. That could prevent identity hassles like what Jackson went through.
It took an awful lot. It was definitely a process.
Jackson still has to show that state documentation clearing his name in court until he's officially off the hook for those fines. The Secretary of State said it never found the real owner of that car in question, but because of Jackson's case, a memo was sent out to workers telling them to look at the IDs before people fill out those registrations.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.